Hi, Mr. David. How are you today? Yeah, I'm okay. Hey, did you went to Malaysia before? Yes, I went to Malaysia with my family. That place is so amazing and so beautiful. Yeah, I agreed. We went to Malaysia last week and it is incredible. We went to a 5-star hotel, which is the Shangri-La Hotel. We went there for only 2 days. The first day, we went to the water park, which is called Sunway Lagoon. It was tremendous. You should go there though. Oh, I see. So, what did you there on the second day? We went to a shopping mall which is called the Sunway Pyramid. The mall is kind of crowded, but it is amazing. After for a few hours, we went to eat the traditional food of Malaysia, which is the roti canai. It is so delicious, but in the same time it is so spicy. Oh, so that's it? Yeah, kind of. Malaysia is awesome because in 1999 Malaysia has the tallest building in the world. It is the Twin Towers. It is called KLCC. Oh, do you know that last time Manchester United fight against Malaysia? It was 3-2. Ha ha ha. But Wayne Rooney sucks, he didn't do anything. Ha ha ha, yeah. Hey, which club do you support again? Arsenal and Barcelona. Of course, Arsenal and Barcelona sucks. Real Madrid for life. Real Madrid is even sucks. I think Malaysia is better. Okay, whatever. Oh yeah, I got to go because I have a staff meeting now. See ya. Okay, bye.